Major XRP news. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Appreciate you guys for coming back. And yes, it's a new era for Ripple XRP. Now that these wins are coming in multiples, we are gearing up for some major breakthrough moments for crypto. And while we're sifting through kind of how things are developing, what's coming down the pike for crypto in general, we're taking a look at how Ripple, the company, XRP, the currency, are both positioning themselves to be a major player in the key areas. And one of those key areas, which obviously is hotter than ever, and I think is set to bring in billions, if not trillions of dollars into this market, is that of real-world asset tokenization. And this is part of this new era for Ripple XRP. We've got some new breaking information as it relates to all of this. This is your major XRP news update. Always crazy things happening within the XRP community, within the XRP sphere, if you will. So guys, let me know that you guys are here. I want to hear from the XRP army. Drop your X's down below in the chat. Fire them off. Smash the like button. I know you're going to absolutely love what we've got for you in this video, guys. So let's dive right in. It's a new era for XRPL. This is Ripple and Archax. Now, this is a major partnership we've highlighted here on this channel before. Huge player. And their plan to tokenize millions, will start in the millions, in real-world assets is starting to come to fruition. So let's dive in here and learn a little bit more, because Ripple and Archax has expanded their partnership. They've had an ongoing partnership. We'll highlight that in a little bit. They want to bring in tokenized real-world assets. The XRP ledger obviously is a very reliable and efficient platform in order to do this, supporting over 5 million wallets, 120 validators. So here's what's going to happen here. Ripple and Archax are expanding their collaboration, and their focus is RWAs, bringing that to the XRPL ledger. According to a recent announcement, the development is significant for both companies and expected to transform the XRP ledger community and allow tokenization of financial assets, which is, again, what Larry Fink had talked about ad nauseum here since Bitcoin ETFs have been approved. Now, this obviously improves DeFi solutions, provides access to a wider array of assets. This partnership itself will open the door for developers and financial institutions who plan on coming in the XRPL ecosystem and obviously working in the RWA space. Now, developers will be able to design new financial solutions that were once difficult to execute. Tokenized assets, including stocks, bonds, money market funds, can now be easily incorporated into dApps. And this is really the future that we have talked about with RCA, or RWAs rather, in that it's going to start in the financial instrument world, right? And tokenizing everything, what Larry Fink always says, this is what he means. Literally how the things were done and how they've been done for decades can all be tokenized in this format. And XRPL wants to have a major foothold or footprint in this area. So keep in mind, 2012, the XRPL has been around facilitating over 2.8 billion transactions. We already have proof that it works. It's capable of processing huge volumes of transactions efficiently and at super low cost. A lot of the platforms out there have trouble with scalability. XRPL does not. It serves over 5 million active wallets, works with over 120 validators. The ledger's built-in decentralized exchange, compliance mechanisms, and tokenization capabilities are ideal for institutional-grade financial applications. When it comes to the institutional side of this whole thing, these institutions only go with trusted sources. And I have said this from day one. I think there's a reason why the SEC has opened up this investigation to XRP for a really long time, because they know that the technology they have is legit and they want to understand it more before they adopt it. Okay? This is my take. You can agree or disagree. Let me know if you agree or disagree down below, but that is really my take. RWAs, tokenized in this way, give investors the benefits of RWAs and the advantages of blockchain, transparency, fractional ownership, which we talked about that with real estate, global accessibilities. This is the whole DeFi boom that we could see with RWAs, right? And XRP Ledger achieves major milestone with 90 millionth ledger. Processing its 90 millionth ledger as seen on XRP Scan. The growth in XRPL adoption has continued, especially with SBI. That's a huge financial services giant in Tokyo. And we talked about this, launching their NFT service. The project was implemented on the XRPL earlier July. Ripple's DeFi ecosystem had a little bit of a challenge back in the beginning of August as the TVL plummeted from over 12 million on July 31st to slightly above 431,000 the next day, but it did recover very, very quickly. And XRP is sitting, I think, in a perfect position to take advantage of the future of RWA, to take advantage of the future of money and where we're going, guys. We highlighted SBI in our most recent videos. This partnership is massive, and all it's going to take is a couple financial institutions to get behind Ripple here when this lawsuit gets behind us. And the future is RWA. If some big banks inside the United States adopt the XRPL technology, they're going to have access to get into RWAs. And it's going to be an easy transition. Now, the price of XRP is down here at 56 cents. The overall market at large here is down a little bit today, a little over 2.5% down. XRP outperforming some of the plays like Ethereum and Solana right now. It's only down less than 2%. It is still comfortably ranked here in the top 10. Keep in mind, you can trade XRP with me over on Leverage at Margex. Great platform to do so. So if you guys are interested in that, definitely check it out. No KYC over here. You can copy the best traders like this guy right here. XRP People kills it. Absolutely crushes his trades with XRP. You can copy trade with all of these top 5 traders and more using Margex. You're going to get a nice 20% sign-on bonus to cover fees if you go use my link down below in the description. Now, to close things out, guys, this is a new era for XRPL, not only because we have the RWA space heating up, but because we have the realization that XRP has more clarity behind it. And as this lawsuit concludes for good, it's part of that new era. These institutions now can finally look at Ripple's technology, finally decide, hey, you know what? We ought to utilize some of these financial instruments that Ripple's building in order for cross-border payments to happen seamlessly and way easier. And then also, hey, as we look at tokenizing financial instruments, we can do so right within the XRPL. I think it's going to be a perfect match. Will it take some time? Yes. I don't think RWA is going to be booming here in the next year or two. It's probably going to take a few years, but slowly but surely, various financial instruments will be tokenized. And if these institutions are already utilizing, and this is global here, already utilizing XRPL technology, they're going to be utilizing the RWA tools and resources as well within XRPL. So some big major crypto news for you, XRP news. It's a new era for Ripple. XRP could explode when this sector really takes off, that of RWA. I think probably we get a little bit of a push this cycle, but I think as things progress, it's really going to get big down the line. And it's going to take time, though. I mean, we're literally reimagining, redesigning how the finance industry works, okay? It's not going to happen overnight, but XRP is playing the long game. They have been since 2012, and I continue to say this is a great, in my opinion, long-term play with high upside, just given what we know about what's transpired here the last year, year and a half with the lawsuit, and of course, most recently as well. So appreciate you guys for watching. If you haven't dropped those X's in the chat, definitely do so. And give me your thoughts on this down below in the comment section as well. Definitely want to get this one up over 1,000 likes again. Appreciate everybody for rocking with us here with the XRP content. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.